Hello everyone! Look every bit like a modern style icon with Charles & Keith's collection of crossbody bags. The metallic push-lock front flat bag is perfect for both work and play. Sleek, compact, and absolutely stunning in a sage green finish, this piece is a classic. A push-lock closure keeps your item safe. Style it with a color block shift dress and strappy heels for a chic modern look. The multi-pouch crossbody offers a twist to the classic crossbody silhouette. Various compartments ensures that your essentials stay organized. The gorgeous brick color let it stand out against a neutral colored outfit and mules on your next brunch date. Get your hands on your favorite Charles & Keith crossbody bag at MyTOWN for effortless chicness that elevates your style.